Hello dear students, in last video we have seen the basic structure of SQL and select clause and where clause. Now you will see how to use from clause. For all customers who have a loan from bank, find their names and loan number. So here you have to write down the query like this: select distinct customer name borrower dot loan number from borrower comma loan, where borrower dot loan number is equal to loan dot loan number. Here you can see that loan number is repeated in borrower table also and loan table also. So here we have to write down the table name dot that particular field. What is our aim? We have to find out all the customers who have a loan from the bank. Then their names and their loan numbers. So in this table or in this query we are going to use two tables, that is customer and borrower. So customer name comma borrower dot loan number from borrower comma loan. Instead of using only single table, you can use multiple tables in the from clause. Whatever are the fields used and that field available in those particular table has to be used here. So select distinct customer name borrower dot loan number from borrower comma loan, where borrower dot loan number is equal to loan dot loan number. Find the names and loan numbers of all customers who have the loan from Perige branch. In this query we are going to find out the names and loan numbers of all the customers having Perige branch. Now let us see the query. Select distinct customer name comma borrower dot loan number from borrower comma loan, where borrower dot loan number is equal to loan dot loan number and branch name is equal to Perige. So here by using AND we can add more than one condition in from clause, in where clause. In rename operation, rename is nothing but the alias of a given relation. So rename relations and attribute. The syntax is old name as new name. Now let us see how to use rename operation. Select distinct customer name borrower dot loan number as loan ID from borrower comma loan. Here borrower dot loan number is used as loan ID. So instead of loan number, now you will use loan underscore ID. So this is how you can rename the attribute. Select distinct customer name borrower dot loan number as loan ID from borrower comma loan, where borrower dot loan number is equal to loan dot loan number and branch name is equal to Perige. You can easily observe here that the rename operation is used on the attribute. Now tuple variable. Tuple variables are defined in the form from clause via use of as clause. As we have renamed the attribute, we can also rename the table also. Let us see how we can use it. Select distinct customer name comma T dot loan number from borrower as T, loan as S, where T dot loan number is equal to S dot loan number. In this, here you can see that the table is renamed here, like borrower is renamed as T and loan is renamed as S. And in the condition also, instead of table name, now we are using T dot loan number and S dot loan number. Now let us see one example. Find the names of all branches that have assets greater than at least one branch located in Brooklyn. Select distinct T dot branch name from branch as T, branch as S, where T dot assets is greater than S dot assets and S dot branch city is equal to Brooklyn. Here observe that we have renamed the branch table 2 times. One is T and another name is S. So branch table is renamed 2 times. The same, it is named as T also and it is named as S also. Why we have to do it so? Because whenever we want to find out the asset greater than at least one branch located in Brooklyn, so here we have to compare the rows in the same table. That's why T dot assets is greater than S dot assets and S dot branch city is equal to Brooklyn. So T dot asset is greater than S dot asset indicate the rows are compared in the same table. That's why we have to rename the table 2 times, so that syntactically that should be 2 different tables, but basically it is only one table. But for comparison we can compare the values of one table with one value of one table with the all values in the another table. Here tuple S represent branch city Brooklyn and T represent all the other records in the same relation. In this relation, S dot asset contain the assets of branch city Brooklyn. So in this way, in this lecture we have seen rename operation. Rename is applicable to attribute as well as table and from clause. Thank you for listening.